Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make lavender kombucha. First, you'll need to gather your essential ingredients: brewed tea, sugar, and a healthy SCOBY. Begin by preparing a strong batch of black or green tea, which will serve as the foundation for your kombucha. While the tea is still warm, dissolve 1 cup of sugar completely into the mixture. This provides the necessary food for your SCOBY to thrive during fermentation. Next, carefully combine your sweetened tea with the SCOBY and a bit of starter liquid in a clean glass jar. This starter liquid helps establish the right pH. Cover the opening of the jar with a breathable cloth, like a coffee filter or cheesecloth, and secure it with a rubber band. Let this mixture ferment undisturbed for about 7 to 10 days at a comfortable room temperature, away from direct sunlight. Once your primary fermentation is complete, gently remove the SCOBY and transfer the fermented kombucha into individual bottles. Now comes the exciting part: flavoring. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried culinary lavender directly into each 16-ounce bottle. Seal the bottles tightly and allow them to undergo a second fermentation for an additional 2 to 3 days. This step develops the carbonation and infuses the lovely lavender flavor. Finally, once your lavender kombucha has reached your desired carbonation and flavor, move the bottles to the refrigerator. This cold temperature will effectively slow down the fermentation, preserving its taste and fizz. Before serving, remember to strain out the dried lavender for a smooth, enjoyable drink. It's a refreshing and unique beverage you made yourself. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.